What's up YouTube, this is the Internet Income Ninja back with another video to help you make money online. Today we're going to be welcoming all WordPress front-end engineers, and this post is about working for a company called Modern Tribe. It is a part-time job, but it is remote, meaning you can work from anywhere in the world via the internet. So it's a freelance gig, part-time, internationally acclaimed. Man, this is some good information. If you've never heard of Modern Tribe, that's okay. Hit that link to be taken to their webpage. On their webpage, you'll hear and see what they're all about. And they're all about building a braver, brighter, better connected world. From their menu, you can learn about work with them, their services they offer, about their company and background, and if you want to get in touch with them, you can also go to this menu option here. But scrolling through will give you an idea of what they do, how they do it, why they do it. So they were the ones who built the Harvard University flagship system. Okay, so they designed and built the Harvard University flagship, a model of accessibility. And so this is their WordPress site stuff that they specifically built for the Harvard University. But as you scroll through, you can get a better idea of what they're about. So this will give you an idea of how they run things. It gives you an idea of a feel of the company, what their policies are, what their standards are, and can better help you even in your interview. Okay, so they've worked with artists, they've worked on tech for a bunch of well-known companies such as, again, Harvard, Microsoft, Steelcase, MIT, Boise State University, eBay, Stanford University, MTV, Nike, Condé Nast, Eventbrite, and Big Commerce. This is actually Condé Nast. It's funny how with different fonts the letters look interesting, and it's a C. So let's turn your big issue into a bright idea, and they will build these things for your company. So very reputable, highly requested from some of the biggest names. And again, make sure you go through the website to get a better idea of what they're about. You may be asked about their company, and you can garner more information from their website. So let's review. Location, it's international. You work from anywhere. It's 100% remote. It's a freelance gig, and it is part-time. Okay, the opportunity is this. Modern Tribe is looking for an experienced front-end engineer to join our team. You will be responsible for crafting robust, beautiful, usable interfaces for the users of our products and our clients' projects. You will play an integral role in connecting and collaborating with strategy, design, and back-end to creating a cohesive and organized final experience, and enthusiastically own getting to the most optimal solution. You thrive working in a collaborative and engaging environment and love being part of teams and systems that actively seek your experience in helping us grow and improve. You will use your deep knowledge within HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to solve both simple and complex challenges, both in and outside of the WordPress platform. When paired with your understanding of best practices in accessibility, performance, and architecture, you ultimately produce code and experiences that are scalable and delightful. Now, if this sounds like an exciting opportunity to you, read on. Here are your responsibilities. You'll collaborate with your team to deeply understand the needs of our users and clients, and then plan, design, and build features that best serve those needs. Take ownership of the work you do on projects, from strategy to design to implementation to deployment and maintenance. Be an impactful contributor to your team, discipline, and company, participating in our culture and helping us improve and push our internal tools, libraries, workflows, and standards forward. Actively participate in team Scrum meetings. Deliver maintainable, efficient, and high-quality code. Build and maintain scalable code. Design and build features that are performant, accessible, and steeped in the best practices of modern front-end development standards and patterns. Participate in keeping our internal tooling and systems current. Ensure that the quality of our design implementation and user experience is the very best it can be, which includes design and development work very close together at Modern Tribe. So you're not going to have code developing different from design. Okay? Everything needs to mesh with everything else. And so design and development are very hand in hand. They need to be in sync. And the better you are at these things, the longer they'll want to keep you and you can make more money. Okay? Now back to the points. You share knowledge. Excuse me. Share knowledge and collaborate with fellow developers across the company. Code review the work of other developers. So their inclusion statement is as follows. Modern Tribe is committed to a culture that embraces diversity and inclusion. We foster an environment of collaboration, open engagement, fairness, and respect regardless of differences in age, race, disability, national origin, gender identity, religion, sexual orientation, or veteran status. As a hybrid workspace ranging from distributed contractors to traditional employees, we value the unique perspectives and experiences of our global team. We come from all walks of life. We are small business owners, we are tattoo aficionados, and 80s movie buffs and expats. We are homeschool teachers, we are single parents, we are musicians, college dropouts, and entrepreneurs. We are travelers, feminists, runners, volunteers, and makers. We are a Modern Tribe. Every day we strive to fulfill our motto, live well and do good work. We hope you will consider joining us. So, personal competencies you should have. You should have strong communication skills. You should have experience working as part of a remote team. You should be self-motivated and detail-oriented. You should have strong organizational skills. You should have a methodical approach to all tasks. The ability to prioritize workloads and meet deadlines. Fluent English speaker. And these are what they strongly prefer. Okay. Knowledge and experience. Exceptional HTML and CSS skills, including experience with software as a service or POST, CSS, and BEM. Mid to advanced level vanilla JavaScript experience, including experience with Webpack, Babel, and ES 2015 plus syntax. Experience working with design systems and design system thinking. Mid to advanced level experience developing WordPress power sites. Extensive knowledge of modern front-end development standards. Proficiency at local environment setups, including Docker. Proficiency in version control, namely Git. You have experience working in a remote, fast-paced, and highly collaborative environment with peers from different backgrounds and skill sets. You pay attention to and are passionate about the details. You take pride in and value team success. You are thoughtful and motivated when it comes to approaching your work. This includes being comfortable with proactively driving feature requirements, whether that be identifying gaps and asking questions or helping flesh out additional details. Bonus points. Contributions to the open source community, experience building sites that are accessible. You've worked with ARIA or Way Aria and done WCAG 2.0, plus AA/Section 508 work, and performant working knowledge of best practices. Experience in more advanced areas of JavaScript, which would include state management, async operations, unit, snapshot, and integration testing, REST APIs. Experience with React, Vue, or React Native and web and or native app engineering. Full stack experience beyond HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Background working on large-scale WordPress projects. So again, the location, you work from anywhere and join our distributed team working across the globe. If your time zone is outside of US business hours, but you work at least 3 to 4 hours plus of overlap each day. Let's chat. You should be fluent in English and just need a computer and a strong Wi-Fi signal to support daily video chats with Tribe. Now, compensation. Pay range is commensurate with qualifications and experience. We are currently open to full-time and freelance or part-time contractors for this gig. So they're hiring more than one person, and they want people full-time and part-time to be freelance or contractors for this particular gig that they're working on. So up top it did say part-time, but they are willing to hire someone full-time. So be on your P's and Q's, shoot your shot, nail it, and get paid online. Alright, we're about making money here. Now, perks. We believe that distributed working is a way of life. We understand what it means to work remotely. We offer consistency in expectations, payment, and support. We believe in learning from each other and fostering personal growth. You can expect to learn a lot while working with us. Full-time roles include a benefits package. Also, if you work enough with us, we'll bring you on the team trips. Yay! Now, who they are? Modern Tribe Inc. is a rapidly growing software and design company. We develop custom solutions for some of the world's largest companies, government institutions, and smaller growing organizations. We pride ourselves on our ability to bridge people and technology and to bring the passion and dedication of an entrepreneur to every project. Our team is composed of talented employees and freelancers around North and South America, and a smattering across the globe. Now, who you are. We love working with each other because we have built a culture that suits us well. We work primarily with freelancers and coordinate their talents for large projects. To be on our team, you must be happy. Where there is a will, there is a way. Having a positive disposition allows us to achieve great things and to support each other. Helpful, always looking for ways that you can help others. Curious, it is essential that you have a passion for learning. Technology changes daily and life has a way of constantly raising the bar. Accountable, our clients expect us to get the right thing done on budget and on time. Communicating expectations and meeting them is the cornerstone of success. This sounds like a gig you'd want? Dude, I don't even know coding, and I would apply for this job if I didn't already have my own business. Frankly, jobs are good. And if it's something you love doing, great. I strongly believe that you should have more than one sources of income. Even if you love what you do, have alternate sources of income. Anything can happen to a company. Anything can happen to the people in that company, which forces the company to change directions. The direction the company may go in may not be the direction you want to go in. What will you do if you have to leave? What will you do if they ask you to leave? You can simply say, oh, I'll find another job. Yeah, and the same thing can happen. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just saying the way this channel works, the way we think, we operate on good, better, best. It's good to have a job. It's good to have income. It's better to have a job and possibly have a side hustle. So multiple or more than one streams of income. The best way, we think, is to have businesses where income flows in passively. Okay? So if you have no idea how to make money online, many people start with jobs. That's good. You can save and invest in yourself as you earn more. And one way you can earn more, if you're curious, check the link in the description below. These links, the main link will take you to options where you can earn money so easily, it will make your head spin. You'll wonder why you spent so much of your life following the dream that people before you set and not the dream that you have for yourself. Think about it, click the link, watch the free videos, read the free material, make a decision, and take it from there. But I do appreciate you watching this video, and hey, if you are an amazing WordPress front-end engineer go for it. Go for it. And in addition to going for it, have more than one stream of income. Okay? Check this lead out. Let me know what you think. Let me know where you're watching from. If you work at this company, let me know what the experience is like in the comments, so that everyone who is applying or potentially applying for this role, where everybody can see. So thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell, like, comment, and share for more amazing ways to make money online. This is the Internet Income Ninja. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe.